Think you know your 70s cars? Take the challenge and see if you can guess 010. Only the sharpest car enthusiasts will get a perfect score. Are you up for it? Let's see how many you can name. This Plymouth muscle car, known for its cartoon-inspired name and bold styling, became a legend in the early 1970s. What car is it? A. Plymouth Barracuda, B. Plymouth Roadrunner, C. Plymouth Superbird, D. Dodge Charger. Correct answer, B. Plymouth Roadrunner. Introduced in 1970, this Chevrolet car came with a high-performance SS 454 engine and aggressive styling. What car is it? A. Chevrolet Camaro, B. Chevrolet Chevelle, C. Chevrolet Nova, D. Chevrolet Monte Carlo. Correct answer, B. Chevrolet Chevelle. This Dodge car, introduced in 1970, became famous for its long hood, short deck, and legendary Hemi engine. What car is it? A. Dodge Challenger, B. Dodge Charger, C. Dodge Dart Swinger, D. Plymouth GTX. Correct answer, A. Dodge Challenger. A true American classic, this Pontiac car was immortalized in the movie Smokey and the Bandit with its famous black and gold styling. What car is it? A. Pontiac Firebird Trans Am, B. Pontiac GTO Judge, C. Pontiac Grand Prix, D. Pontiac Bonneville. Correct answer, A. Pontiac Firebird Trans Am. This Ford car, introduced in 1974, was a compact alternative to the Mustang, but gained fame among car enthusiasts. What car is it? A. Ford Torino, B. Ford Maverick, C. Ford Pinto, D. Ford Mustang II. Correct answer, B. Ford Maverick. This AMC car, known for its bold colors and unique styling, became a standout in the muscle car scene. What car is it? A. AMC Javelin, B. AMC Gremlin, C. AMC AMXD, AMC Rebel Machine. Correct answer, A. AMC Javelin. This Chevrolet car debuted in 1970 and is famous for its performance-focused Z28 trim and distinctive split bumper grille. What car is it? A. Chevrolet Corvette, B. Chevrolet Camaro, C. Chevrolet Nova, D. Chevrolet Vega. Correct answer, B. Chevrolet Camaro. This luxurious Buick model featured a big block V8 and combined performance with elegance in the 1970s. What car is it? A. Buick Riviera. B. Buick Electra. Buick Skylark. G. Buick Century. Correct answer, A. Buick Riviera. This Dodge car is one of the most famous police cars of the 1970s and became a pop culture icon thanks to TV shows and movies. What car is it? A. Dodge Coronet. B. Dodge Monaco. C. Dodge Polara. D. Dodge Aspen. Correct answer, B. Dodge Monaco. This sporty Datsun car, released in 1970, helped popularize the Japanese sports car market in America. What car is it? A. Datsun 240Z. B. Datsun 510. C. Toyota Celica. D. Mazda RX-3. Correct answer, A. Datsun 240s.